So we got here some Veega meat-free giniling. We are going to make this into sort of like a baked giniling with cheese and tomato sauce.
Hey, what are you cooking?
Okay, lately we've been so unhealthy, and the wife is always complaining that we need to eat like more nutritious. So we got here some Veega meat-free giniling. We are going to make this into sort of like a baked giniling with cheese and tomato sauce, right? So that's Chuleta. You can hear her aamoy niya yung masarap namin niluto dito. Chuleta, chill! So we will do 2 recipes for this video. We'll do the giniling first, right? Pan, oil, a little bit of onions, leeks, then our giniling. Can you smell it? Smells good, no? Now, let's add some dried herbs. Any dried herbs you like. Kasi dried siya, so gusto mo siyang buhayin ulit para lalabas yung natural.
Tulad ng anong klaseng dried?
I go oregano or rosemary if you like.
For example, kung meron kang fresh opening.
Yeah, of course. Pero you add it towards the end. Kung dried, add it sa simula. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato sauce. Oh, not a little bit. The whole packet. Then, sweet paprika. Or you can use spicy paprika if you want.
What if you don't have paprika?
Optional. Then, I will add some mushrooms. Button mushrooms. And, isayin ko lang siya. Let's use 2 kinds of tomato sauce para hindi mo mahula kung galing saan. Or para lang may konting twist yung ating tomato sauce, so to speak.
Creamy na.
Pwede. Actually, pwede. Pero gusto ko siya parang, gusto ko siya parang almost like a bolognese but without the pasta. Okay, now let's give it a taste. It's pretty good. I'm gonna add more olives to give it that sourness. I use spiced paprika. Yeah, there's a little kick. The olives will give it that saltiness and that sourness again. Let's add the salt towards the end. Now, what I want to do with this is ililipat ko siya sa smaller pan kasi gusto ko mas malalim. Or ito kasi mababaw, it's a big pan. Look at that. Look at that. How deep the color is. And lagyan natin ng cheese. Pop it in the oven or in a little oven. And then para...
So any kind of cheese, really?
Kahit anong cheese gusto mo. Then have it with just say whole wheat pasta, salad, some wheat bread, brown rice. Parang
I think I'll have it with wheat bread, no?
wheat bread, pwede. Tostadong wheat bread. Then let's add a little bit more cheese.
Parang sloppy joe.
Okay. So actually, luto na to eh. Gusto lang natin na matunaw yung cheese. Only preheated oven. Siguro mga 5 minutes lang. High 350. Maganda yung mami. Okay. Check it out.
Tingin. Ooh, looks yummy.
Yeah.
Okay. This looks really good.
Okay.
Did you put salt na?
Wala. I don't think it needs salt.
Really?
Yeah. I tried it earlier because yung dalawang sauce meron ng konting lasa eh. If you need... Ay, sorry, Chuleta. Chuleta here is nag-aabang. She can smell the goodness in this kitchen. Maybe on top lang. Then maybe a little bit of pepper. Wala nang lumalabas. Let's give it a taste. Ay, dito ko nilagay yung bread kasi may tendency na hawakan to. This is very hot. Huwag nyo talagang gawin yan. Alright, ready?
And I have to say, this dish is inexpensive.
And super quick.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Well,
It's very tasty.
so do you know that this is made out of wheat, mushroom, and soy?
Hmm?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Doesn't taste like it.
What does it taste like? Tastes like meat?
Pakainin mo yung bata nito, hindi niya ma-distinguish. Mmm. It's so good. You have to try it.
It looks really good.
Sarap. Sarap ng yung the giniling, the cheese, the tomato, the mushroom. Sarap. Okay. Did you enjoy it?
Super, it's so good.
I'm happy. Next recipe, we got nuggets from Veega as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to pop it in the air fryer. So just like so.
But what if you don't have an air fryer?
Turbo broiler or toaster, pwede. And then
Pwede
oil.
sa kawali lang.
Yeah, pwede naman. Pero mas mabilis to. There. And siguro mga 10 minutes. Okay. On to the next dish. Bell peppers, red and green, onions, mushroom, onions in, high heat. Parang stir fry with like a sweet chili sauce, and then i-coat natin yung nuggets doon. Okay, onions in, bell peppers, then gisa. Okay. Now, let's add some sweet chili.
What if you don't have sweet chili?
Sriracha, ketchup, kung gusto mo. A little bit of oyster sauce. Konti lang. Lagyan na lang ng ilan. Then, a little bit of soy sauce. A little bit of water. Okay, I added some water. Hindi mo na nakunan kasi natalsikan ka. So, punas muna tayo. Okay ka lang, ma'am. Ligpit mo na ako. Clean as you go. It's actually nice. Alright, just a squeeze of orange. Normally sugar, pero dito na ako kukuha ng tamis. Also, ito yung nakita ko sa aming refrigerator. So, might as well gamitin na natin. Tulak mo, pigain mo talaga, marami pa yung naiwan na juice dyan. Actually, dagdagan ko ng hot soy paste, pero hindi na kasi maalat na siya from the sweet chili. So again, sweet chili, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and what else did I add?
Water.
Water. Nice. Okay, now, napansin nyo, kulang sa lapot. So, what I have here is a slurry, or 50% flour, 50% water. Then, lalapot lang to kung mainit. Tingnan lang, lapot ka agad. Sana lang. Then, we lower the heat. That sounds crunchy, no? Then, yung sauce niya dito sa beef. Because I love garlic. Ah! Dami. Okay, bawasan natin ng garlic. Baka hindi na ako halikan ng asawa ko. So yeah. There you go, guys. Our nuggets with sweet chili. Sabi ni Camille, almost like a escabeche. Pero it's an oriental sweet chili with, you know, crispy nuggets. Let's give it a taste. Familiar tasting, but at the same time, it's guilt-free. Wasn't fried; it's air fried. This is
So it's meat-free. It's a plant-based protein made of mushroom, wheat, and soy.
oh, here you go, guys. Our healthy dish for tonight. And here's the other one. Now, kinain na ni Camille. Was it that good? I guess.
Sorry, I ate half of it. Sarap eh.
So yeah, nuggets and giniling. Salamat. Sana magawa nyo rin to sa bahay. And yeah.
And so fast. How many minutes did we make this? So fast.
Less than an hour siguro. So yeah, super simple. Isa para sa mga kids, isa para sa atin mga adults or mahilig sa mga maanghang. And si Chuleta hindi na makahintay kumain.
Wala ba pwede sa
She can have a nugget.
mga dogs?
She can have a nugget. So yeah, guys, super easy. Please do it. And guide lang to. You can make any variation na gusto nyo. Just have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.